wish to travel to the divine, where I can wake up to the morning bliss, where I can breathe in the stillness, where I feel the silence in the noise, where I can relax, refresh, and get reborn. Your abode for complete healing awaits you at Nimba, a heaven for holistic well-being spread across lush green 32 acres. Surreal backdrop of melodious chirping of birds, resonance of a lilting stream that flows by, and scenic environs will take you to another world of peace and happiness. Get indulged in life-changing experience at Nimba. At Nimba, health first is the mantra for all. The supreme combination of age-old therapies and rituals with global healing techniques leaves you totally refreshed and reborn. All therapy materials are prepared by Nimba experts in-house to offer miraculous results. Stretch your body and stimulate your mind. Get a new discipline for life: yoga. Yoga and meditation at Nimba will leave you in conversation with your own self. Nimba, the only of its kind wellness abode in Gujarat, offers exclusive niceties developed specially for your mind, body, and soul. What's on the menu? Delicious, wholesome cuisines prepared under watchful eyes of the nutritionists. Connect with roots. Connect with nature. Connect with life. At Nimba, always health first.